Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today my topic is cell organelles. Unit number 4. There are number of organelles are present in cell. It means a dozen number of different organelles are present in the cell. These organelles perform its specific function in the cell to complete the requirement of the cell. These organelles are very important for the cells, and two main types of cells are present: eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. Both cells have present the organelles. Now next topic is nucleus. Nucleus is also organelle. Nucleus is also organelle which is present in the cell. 1831 Robert Hooke discovered nucleus in the cell. Nucleus in the cell. Nucleus is the central point of the cell. Nucleus is the central point of the cell, because cell in which nucleus is present, nucleus control all the activities which is performed in the cell. Nucleus control all the activities in the cell. Now now nucleus is a double membrane bonded organelle. Double membrane bonded organelle. It means nucleus is a organelle, but it is a double membrane bonded organelle. Cytoplasm. There are two main types of cells. One is eukaryotics and second one is prokaryotics. Prokaryotic cells. Now in eukaryotic cells, prominent nucleus is present. In eukaryotic cells, prominent nucleus is present and it's round shape. But in prokaryotic cells, in regular shape. Here, prominent shape. But here in regular shape. In plants and animal cells. In animal cells, nucleus is present in the center. Nucleus is present in the center. But in plant cells, nucleus is not present in the center, because in plant cells large vacuole is present. So nucleus is not present in the center in the plant cells. So nucleus is a double membrane bonded organelle. Nucleus is a double membrane bonded organelle. Nucleus is covered by a membrane, and this membrane is a double membrane. But in this membrane separates the nucleus, inner side of the nucleus from the outer side of the cytoplasm. This one is the nucleus. This is a cytoplasm. This membrane separates both of these, nucleus and cytoplasm. But in this membrane, small pores are present, like this. These pores are called nuclear pores. And this membrane is called nuclear membrane, or second one is nuclear envelope. These pores, nuclear pores, helps in transport of material. In the center of nucleus, nucleoli is also present. 1 and 2 nuclei are present in the inner side of the nucleus. Nucleolus. Nucleolus synthesize ribosomes. And ribosomes synthesize proteins. But these proteins are only synthesized in the cytoplasm. Proteins only in the cytoplasm. Now, nucleoplasm, the inner material of the nucleus is called nucleoplasm. In this, chromosomes are also present. Chromosomes are only visible visible during the division of the cell. Find thread-like shape. Thread-like shape. Now, this one is a chromatin. During cell division, this chromatin is condensed and changed into the chromosomes. Chromo mean color and so mean body. So mean body. अब हम अपने लेक्चर्स को एक दफा अगेन हम रिवाइज कर लेते हैं ताकि जहां से आपको समझ नहीं आई वहां से आपको अगेन आ जाए. Nucleus is basically an organelle which is present in the cell. Nucleus is also called a central point of the cell or a control center of the cell because it controls all the activities in the cell. There are two main types of cells are present: eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells. Now, in prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells, nucleus is prominent, but in prokaryotic cells, nucleus is not a prominent shape but in irregular shape. 1831, Robert Hooke discovered nucleus in the cell. Nucleus is basically a double membrane bonded organelle. Nucleus is basically a double membrane bonded organelle. Animal cells and plant cells. Animal cells, the nucleus is present in the center, but in plant cells, nucleus is not present in the center because in plant cells, nucleus is not present in the center because a large vacuole is present. Large vacuole is present. Nucleus is covered by a membrane, and this membrane is called a nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope. But this is a double membrane. In this membrane, a small pores are present, and these pores are called a nuclear pores. This membrane separates nucleus of the inner material from the outer material. These pores are called a nuclear pores, and these pores helps in the transport of material from the inner side of nucleus to outer side and outer side to inner sides. Inner side. Now, in the inner side of chromosome, material is called a nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm in which chromosomes and nuclei is present. Nuclei in the inner side of the chromosomes is present in 1 and 2, but nucleolus is synthesized ribosomes, and ribosomes synthesize proteins. But protein is only synthesized in the cytoplasm, not in the inner side of the nucleus. Inner side of the nucleus. Nucleus. Now, functions of nucleus. First function is a control center. Second one is it contains a hereditary material. Contains hereditary material. Third one is protein synthesis. And fourth one is ribosomes. Control center means it controls all activities which is performed in the cell. Now, second one is contain a hereditary material. This materials means hereditary material. It transfer this material from one species to another species. Third one is protein synthesis and ribosome synthesis. Mitochondria is also one of the most important organelle of the cell. Mitochondria is also called a powerhouse of the cell. Carroll in 1850 first seen in the cell. Mito means thread and chondria means granular. It means its shape is like a granular. Double membrane bonded granular structures present in the eukaryotic cells. Now it's the composition. Lipids, DNA, RNA and proteins are present in the mitochondria. In its composition, due to the presence of the DNA or ribosomes, it is called a self-replicating organelle. It means ये खुद बखुद अपने आप को डिवाइड करने की सलाहियत या रिप्लिकेट करने की सलाहियत रखती हैं. Now, second one is its structure. It is a double membrane bonded organelle. Its outer membrane is smooth, but its inner membrane is complicated because in the inner side many folding shape is present, and these finger-like projections or foldings are called a cristia, but in these compartments are called a matrix. In this, circular DNA and ribosomes are present. In this function, mitochondria involved in the cell respiration. In cell respiration, during this reaction means a cell respiration in which food is broken down into small particles and energy stored in the form of ATP. ATP is called adenosine triphosphate.